10 makeup tips I wish I had known sooner. Welcome to my channel. Makeup is a lifelong hobby and skill, and with the right makeup tips, it can be even more fun and enjoyable. In this video, I'll be sharing some makeup tips that will help you look and feel your best. Well-balanced and well-maintained skincare routine is the secret to perfect-looking makeup. Using serums, moisturizers, and most importantly, sunscreen religiously will not only improve how your makeup looks, but most especially your skin too. Use loose powder for under eye. Use pressed powder for the rest of your face. Combo in any brand of liquid blush and highlighter is perfect. Curl your lashes and apply mascara for falsies effect. Using a lip scrub before any lip product will give you smooth lips that make a great base for your lipstick to look even. You would be surprised how big of a difference using the right brush would make. Always remember, the results of any makeup product largely depend on the applicator. I have found different ways to minimize the layers of products that I apply while getting maximum coverage to achieve a great-looking complexion. First, apply foundation or tinted moisturizer before concealing to create an even base and reduce redness, discoloration, and minor blemishes. Then you'll only need to conceal over areas you'll need added coverage. Do eye makeup with light brown colors and apply some mascara, light blush on, and lipstick. By getting rid of this stuff first, the second water-based cleanser can really work its way into the skin, removing the likes of grime and sweat. Not only is a double cleanse meant to give a more thorough cleanse, but it can also revitalize dull skin and allow other skincare products to penetrate more effectively.